बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 1 दिसंबर 2024 के अखबार में। ट्रांस कराची ऑपरेटर ऑफ द कराची ब्रीज सिस्टम करियर opportunities. Join us for this game changing project for the city of Karachi. If you fit the criteria below, please email us your resumes at hr@transkarachi.pk with the job title as the subject of the email. Hiring would be done through a rigorous selection process strictly based on merit. All positions are contractual. General Manager Infrastructure and Planning. About the role, the General Manager Infrastructure and Planning shall lead and manage Trans Karachi units responsible for civil works, implementation, environmental and social safeguards. Assist ये आप लोग को देख लीजिएगा। द पोजीशन रिक्वायर्स डायरेक्ट सुपरविजन ऑफ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 25 स्टाफ इंक्लूडिंग इस्टेब्लिशिंग वर्क प्लान्स, मॉनिटरिंग एक्टिविटीज़ एंड कंडक्टिंग परफॉर्मेंस एवेलुएशंस। की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ भी जनाब आप लोग देख लें, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का। ठीक है जी, की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ ये हैं। Educational qualification. The candidate shall possess a minimum of a master's degree in civil engineering, transport engineering, project management, construction management or a related field from an HSC accredited university. Degrees from renowned foreign university will be considered advantageous. Training or education in FIDIC contract administration is highly preferred. Experience. The candidate shall have a minimum of 15 years of professional experience, including at least 5 years in a senior management position. Example, director, general manager. A minimum of 5 years of experience in implementing large urban infrastructure projects, particularly road-based projects, is required. Experience working with international financing institutions is highly advantageous. This role is critical to the successful execution of Trans Karachi's infrastructure projects, ensuring adherence to quality standards, timely delivery and the adoption of global best practices in infrastructure planning and implementation. Legal specialist. About the role, the legal specialist provides proactive, high quality legal support for commercial corporate and project related matters, ensuring compliance with applicable laws and alignment with Trans Karachi School. Key responsibilities. Advice on commercial, corporate and project related legal issues. Develop and implement effective legal strategies. Ensure compliance with legal standards, policies and guidelines. Draft, review and negotiate contracts and legal documents. Mitigate legal risks and collaborate with other departments to support organizational objectives. Educational qualifications. Education, LLM in corporate or commercial law from an HSC recognized university. Experience 5+ years post qualification with managerial experience in a corporate environment. Finance manager. About the role, the finance manager ensures effective financial management, providing strategic insights, budgeting and financial analysis to support decision making and compliance with regulations for large infrastructure projects. Key responsibilities: oversee financial control, budgeting and forecasting, provide strategic financial analysis and modeling, ensure compliance with financial regulations and policies. Educational qualifications: certification CA, CMA, ACC or CFA. Active membership required. Deputy Manager Accounts. About the role: the Deputy Manager Accounts supports effective financial operations by managing day-to-day accounting activities, preparing financial statements and ensuring compliance with applicable regulations. The role focuses on accurate record keeping, reporting and providing financial insights to facilitate decision making. Key responsibilities: manage day-to-day accounting operations including accounts payable/receivable, payroll and general ledger. Prepare financial reports, budgets and forecast. Ensure compliance with financial regulations, standards and policies. Assist in audits and tax filings while maintaining accurate and organized records. Support senior management with financial analysis and cost control insights. Educational qualifications: certification CA, CMA, ACC or equivalent qualification. Part qualified candidates with relevant experience may also apply. Experience: 5+ years of post qualification experience in accounting or finance with at least 2 years in a similar role. Experience in infrastructure or public sector projects is advantageous. अच्छा, ये एक्सपीरियंस था। अच्छा, ये जो फाइनेंस मैनेजर के लिए एक्सपीरियंस था, ठीक है जी। फाइनेंस मैनेजर की जो पोस्ट मैंने बताई थी ना, एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन CA, CMA, तो ये उसके लिए एक्सपीरियंस था। एक्सपीरियंस 7+ years with 5 years in a managerial role, ideally in infrastructure/transport sectors. Assistant manager policy planning, project planning. About the role, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। about the role: educational qualifications, bachelor's degree in civil engineering or related field from HSC recognized university. Higher qualification and/or foreign qualification will be considered an added advantage. Must be proficient in AutoCAD, Primeval, MA Project, etc. Accredited professional training courses pertaining to planning, scheduling, progress and recovery, costing, risk assessment and mitigation, and project evaluation and monitoring, and any other skills considered relevant to the position will be considered an added advantage. Membership of relevant recognized industry or professional organizations. Educational qualification: at least 7 years of post qualification. Relevant experience: candidate should have planning, scheduling, costing, risk assessment and mitigation, and project evaluation and monitoring demonstrated experience. Experience of multinational donor agency will be considered an added advantage. A minimum of 3 years of on-site construction. Have planning, scheduling, costing, risk assessment and mitigation, and project evaluation and monitoring experience is highly desirable. Relevant international work experience will be considered an added advantage. All positions are based in Karachi. Applications are required to reach Trans Karachi via email within 15 days of the date of this advertisement. 1 दिसंबर को आया है ये इश्तिहार। और not EA/TA will be admissible for interview. Trans Karachi is an equal opportunity employer committed to achieving workforce diversity in terms of gender and culture. Female candidates, individuals from minority groups and indigenous groups, and differently abled persons are equally encouraged to apply. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. अच्छा जी, ये बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी की जॉब है। हेल्थ साइंसेस कैंपस कराची सिचुएशंस वैकेंट। बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी हेल्थ साइंसेस कराची इज़ लुकिंग फॉर डायनामिक, हाईली कमिटेड एंड सेल्फ motivated individuals for the following positions. Serial number 1 positions: biomedical engineer. Eligibility criteria: qualification and experience. Qualification: BE/BS degree in biomedical engineering. Experience: at least 2 years experience in maintenance of dental equipment. Number 2, carpenter. Qualification: middle. Experience: minimum 6 years relevant experience as carpenter and painter. Number 3, mali. 2, qualification: middle metric preferred. Experience: minimum 2 years relevant experience. Applications should download employment application form for staff from https://www.bahria.edu.pk and send their detailed CVs along with attested photocopies of qualification documents: 01 CNIC, 01 recent passport size photographs and other certificates at the address given below by 9th December 2024. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. Number 3, no TA/DA will be paid to the applicants for interview. HR office, Bahria University. Health Sciences Campus, Salard Street adjacent PNS Shifa Hospital, DAG Phase 2, Karachi. Telephone number 0213531949 0213531949 and extension 1007. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब आई हुई है। क्वालिटी कंट्रोल एंड R&D ऑफिसर। रिक्वायरमेंट्स: BSc इन फूड साइंस, मस्ट हैव 3 to 5 years एक्सपीरियंस इन FMCG मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री. Responsibilities: checking incoming raw material and packing material. GMP complies SOP. Follow quality check before dispatch. New product development, trials, maintenance, lab daily testing. ISO/Hilal/Sindh Food/PSQCA compliance and audit yearly. Maintenance of hygienic in production area. Send your resume at karachitaste@gmail.com. छिपा वेलफेयर को ड्राइवरों की ज़रूरत है। छिपा वेलफेयर के शोबर अफरादी क़ुव्वत को बड़ी तादाद में ड्राइवरों की ज़रूरत है। दरख्वास्त: शनाख्ती कार्ड की फ़ोटो कॉपी के हमरा इंटरव्यू के लिए सुबह 10 बजे तशरीफ़ लाएँ। राब्ता: फ़ोन 10-20 छिपा हेड ऑफिस, FTC पुल, शाहराह फैसल, कराची। तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।